Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching us from. Welcome back to the Inspiring Catholic Youth channel. I'm here once again to take you through the activities that I do. This is one of the activities that I do each and every morning on Saturday, and also I will be showing you, letting you through what I experience. Today particularly I would like to go and visit the people. It has been 3 months that I'm not there, so you will accompany me as I go to this place. It is called San Antonio, like Saint Anthony, and so please follow me. I will let you through all the activities of today, Saturday morning. And so this place I will go with the canoe and it will take me to my destination. So welcome, and feel at home and be blessed. So now we are going. It has been a long time of waiting, but now finally we are going. We are going to where I told you, St. Anthony, and we shall be continuing. I will let you know the different things we shall be doing. So please do not turn off your phone. Do not switch off your phone, and we shall be continuing. Please, you're welcome. Come with me. And it has this destination. It is like a 20 minutes drive. And here we go. Welcome. Because I don't have anyone to help me that side, I'm doing it myself. And please, as you see, the environment is really beautiful, and it is like a 20 minutes drive. We shall reach in 20 minutes. We have just started, and I will let you see all the experience that I go through, all the beautiful things that I am going through. As you see here, I'm accompanied by some people behind. You see how it is very beautiful. I just love the environment, and please enjoy with me. I have my friend there, the little one, where we can do greeting, and the one behind. So I will ask some questions to my neighbor here, and they will answer some of the questions that maybe you'll be wondering and asking. Please do not miss out on this. It is a nice opportunity to go with me, to cook with me. Just know I just love this apostolate because it is really nice. The process of going from moving with the canoe is just beautiful, and reaching there, the people are very welcoming. They're good people, and I think you will enjoy. No, I'll be asking some of the questions to my friend here. Just like I told you, that they don't speak English, they speak Spanish, but I think they will be able to answer some of the questions. So we go. Está bien. Bueno, just like I told you, that I will be asking my friends here to be answering some of the questions. So I have my neighbor here who wants to answer the questions, but she does not want to stay in the video, but it's okay. So I will ask her some questions, and I'll be translating in English. Here, just like you see, we have there some trees, some beautiful trees, and I will be asking, ¿cómo se llama esos los árboles? ¿Cómo se llaman aquí en la lengua de que se llama? Those trees, they say, they have just told me they call them manglar, and in this manglar, ¿qué tienen ahí en los manglares? Concha, They have a special kind of animal. It's the fish. It's a type of fish that they eat here, and it is called concha. And people here live on this beautiful concha, and they go they like to fish. La gente aquí pesca o como.
La pesca aquí en el mar. Solamente se agarra lo que es concha en el manglar. Aquí se agarra pescado.
Here also they just told me that they do also the fishing. It takes place on this water. ¿Cómo se llama este? Es parte del mar Pacífico o Océano. El Pacífico. Mar. Es el mar, pero es parte de ¿cuál mar?
Pacífico.
So this is also Pacific Ocean. So one part of the Pacific Ocean that we are moving on. The waters are not so deep here, so that's where we are moving. And the people here, aquí la gente de que hacen mucho pesca o las conchas.
Aquí pescan, conchan. Hay personas que dedican a la concha y a la pesca.
She tells me that the people here live on fishing. So they do fishing, and also they do fishing of different kinds of animals, different kinds of fish species. So one of the fish species they have here is the sea animal. It's called the concha, of which they live on, and also the fish. They go fishing here. The children, the old people, and then everyone. Many people do fishing. So when you reach there, you will see. Maybe we shall find some people fishing. So I would then like for you to accompany me to be with me. Muchas gracias. Just like I was saying, anyway, I have reached San Antonio, and this is one of the places where I reach. It is a beautiful place, and here I have found when they have caught an animal that some people here depend on animals. So this is one of the animals that is eaten, and it has been brought. It is called guanta, and it has been killed. Here I show you a little bit of it. It is here. It is just been killed, and it is delicious. I have eaten it before. It is a very delicious animal, and I hope one day you also try it out. It's beautiful. Right now it's dead, but it is amazing that its eyes are still open. You see, that is really amazing. Where I want to show you the eyes. Where the eyes of this animal. I don't know if you've seen, but ¿dónde? No quiero que ve los ojos. El ojo que está abierto, ¿no? Me sorprende que el ojo está abierto cuando está muriendo. So you see, there. See. It's just about to die. And they shot it. It is being shot. And everyone here is coming to see. Wow. You see, it is dead, but it has its eyes open. So it is quite amazing, no? Yes. So we are continuing with the explosion. So when I reach normally here, there is I'm welcomed by San Anthony. This is San Anthony. He is the saint of this village. I don't know if you're seeing him very well. This is the saint of the village. Normally I reach, and when I reach here, it is wow. Look at the sky. It's just precious the way it looks up there. This place is just amazing, no? Look at the skies. Wow, it is just precious. And right now I'm going to see, these are my students, some of the children that I teach. They are here, and I don't know what they are doing. I'm going to see what they are doing. I'm going to greet them. You see, these are some of the children that I teach. ¿Qué estás haciendo? ¿Qué están haciendo aquí? Que estoy grabando mi video. ¿Cómo se llama eso? Ese es zapote. This one is called zapote. Dame, quiero ver un poco. Quiero mostrarla aquí que es. This one is called zapote, and it's a fruit that is eaten here. I've asked, and they've told me it is called zapote. Anyway, I knew it is called zapote, but I wanted them to tell me that you also know it is called zapote, and it is good. It is a very big tree. You have to be careful to have it. They can. ¿Es tuyo o ese? No, ¿eres tú que me dices? No, ¿sí? Sí. Now he has taken it. And, no, quería verlo, está bien. No. Ah, me andaron. Muchas gracias. You see, they've given me. This one is zapote, and it is a very delicious fruit. I would just, how do they say, delicious? Or it is a sweet? It is a sweet fruit I will be sharing with you, my viewers. So, come with me. Juan, ¿qué dices? ¿Qué estás diciendo?
No, yo no estoy hablando.
Estoy hablando inglés, no se preocupe. ¿Quién? Estoy hablando inglés, no español. Entonces, therefore, this is it is called support. Just like I said, they were asking me which language I was speaking, and I told them I was speaking English. So, welcome. So now I'm going to see other things, and then I will continue with you. God bless you. So one of the news that I've got is very, very bad news that I've got from my village that I go to, is that one of my best friends, my people here has died. It has been like 1 month before I came back, and this is really bad. I feel it is really hurting that he has died. She has been a wife to him, and then I'll ask him como ha sido un mes, has dicho, ¿no?
Va a tener 2 meses. El 17.
17. It is almost 2 months that she has died, and right now I'm really in shock, because normally when I come here, she was always welcoming me, giving me some beautiful things, and then I will go back with them. And it's really a pity. She was always sitting there with tenía normalmente ahí mismo, como tú se siente. She was already sitting here, so de ahí la veía aquí sentadita. Sí. So normally I would see her seated here, and when she sees me, she's very happy. So I feel a little bit y entonces ¿cuándo lo enteraron? ¿26 el día mismo o
no, al otro día?
El día siguiente. Yeah. Y de aquí fueron algunas personas.
Sí, algunas, toda la mayoría.
And saying that people from this village went out to accompany him, and until they accompanied him to the cemetery. It was a very, very bad time, but they tried. So, just like I told you, this is one of the villages, and these are normally in the villages. You may find that there are this type of houses that they keep here, but also there is also a lot of trees, just like you see here. It is the trees here. And then just like behind, you see the view, it is just beautiful. I just love the view here. It is just precious. Buenos días.
Buenos días.
¿Cómo estás?
Bien, ¿y usted?
Estoy bien.
A los años la veo.
A los años es porque me fui a mi país. Me fui ahí, 3 meses estaba ahí y regresé no hace mucho tiempo.
Yo preguntaba por usted.
¿De verdad?
Correcto, preguntaba.
Sí, es que 3 meses he estado ahí. I'm speaking with one of my friends here. 3 meses he estado ahí en mi país. ¿Sabes de dónde vengo?
¿De dónde?
Vengo de África.
De África.
Muy lejos.
Lejos, pues.
Sí, muy lejos. No solo lejos, pero muy lejos.
Muy lejos. Pero bendito
Sí,
sea Dios, pues.
Sí, you see my friend. My friend. Sí. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Alirio Peralta.
¿Cómo se llama? Peralta.
Alirio Peralta.
Alirio Peralta. Pero otra vez eres tú que trajeron las cosas.
Sí.
¿Te lo has recibido otra vez o solo una vez?
Sí, me siguen mandando.
Me siguen mandando.
Sí,
wow,
sí.
Muy bien, eso
Sí,
está bonita, ¿no?
Sí, me
Está
siguen
bonita
mandando.
que están mandando.
Ella siempre me sigue mandando y me toma fotos.
Sí. Buenos días. Que hace mucho tiempo que no te veo tan bien. Mira, por eso yo me confundo. Me confundo, ahora es tu hermana. Ah, ¿cómo se llama tu hermana? ¿Tú eres Olga?
Sí,
¿Y ella?
Yesenia.
Sí, Yesenia. Es Yesenia que no he visto. Mis pésames para la señora América. Que se murió.
No, pues ¿cuándo lo vas a hacer?
Más ahora, pues, que esté
Más fresco.
Ajá.
Ya.
I have greeted my friend here.
Entonces, madrecita, pero ahora ella retorna vuelta aquí al país de nosotros acá.
Sí, he regresado. He regresado. ¿Hasta cuándo? No sé, pero estoy aquí.
Correcto.
Sí,
Pero tienes que estarlo visitando.
Sí, ajá. Quiero, quiero ver, mostrar a mi gente la cosa. Por favor, quiero ver, que vean esta, que como aquí se pone.
¿Aquí?
Ajá, sí. For example, here they have a special kind of seat. They can sleep and they can sit on some special mat. As you see, it is here. It is this one, and they always sit on it, or they always sometimes sleep on it. As you see, it is something very beautiful. Quiero sentar un poco también.
Ya.
Sí, ajá.
¿O me levanto yo?
So each and every Saturday, I come to this place. And normally in this place I do catechesis. I teach catechesis to the young children of about. Generally, I teach the young ones, the little ones, the very little ones. I teach them how to be missionaries. And then the ones that are a bit grown, I teach them catechesis, and later on they do the first communion, and it is really very beautiful when they do the first communion. And well, I will not be able to show you, or I've not been able to show you some of the things because of the privacy of the people. I don't want to the privacy, the ones, there are some people who don't want to be put out there, but I have shown you actually the place, how it looks beautiful, the way, the environment, and just like you see just behind me, that beautiful environment, this is also beautiful. Just down here there is water here, and up there is the green environment, and the way it looks very beautiful. I like to come out here because it also relaxes. It makes you feel like that environment of prayer, the silence, and for me it is something very beautiful, and I pleasure that aspect. Besides, this is also a place of well, there are also some poor people, and this is because it's a village, just like I told you, and because of that I also like to come to here now, and very beautiful. Some of the houses, I think I showed you some of the houses up there, and see. My hand is just there. Okay, so I'll move a little bit here, and then I will see. I think you're seeing very well. Up there, up there, there is some of the houses that I already showed you some of them. Down here in this water, normally the young children who know how to drive these canoes, and it is something very beautiful. I find that the young children use these canoes to move, even if there's someone sick, there's someone who has a problem, they can take them, no? And for me that is also something that is very beautiful. I pleasure. And well, the adults for sure, because they grow up, and also I like the aspect that these children here, they grow up like knowing. Let me find where I put my phone. I put it here. The fact that these children grow up knowing the environment, they know how to fish, they know how to there's what they call concha. They know how to get that concha. It's some fish, some kind of fish in the water. They know how to get it there, and then they sell them and they get some money. It is kind of their way of living, no? It is something very precious, no? And some other thing that I do here, I also sometimes do like liturgy to the adults, and to teach them to the way to respond. No, I mean to do like meditation together. That is when they are not priests. Actually, the priests rarely come to this village, this village inclusive. So that is also a way to help in evangelizing. So maybe someone is asking, what are the problems that are faced? One of the problems that are faced here is that, for example, when I come here, some of the children want to go to fish with their parents, or you find them when they've already gone to fishing. So you have to wait. You come at 8 and then you wait until I don't know what time when they have not yet come. Another problem that I face is also the level of education here for the young ones, the little ones, is not that very good, because of they are very far from the center. Not very far from the center, but they are kind of, the education out in this village is not like so much developed, particularly in this where I am, in this village. They have the center. The center is in. Some of them go to the center, so the ones who go to the center can go. But the ones who are far from the center, it is also somehow challenging, no? There's also one of the problems that they cannot. Some of them write, cannot read, and that's also another problem. Yeah, that problem is when the waters are down. Like when the waters are down, you find that the canoes don't reach in the where you have to take the canoe from to come this side. So it is difficult to come with the canoe here, and so sometimes I come and I fail to I come wanting to go, but I fail because of that. So this is one of the challenges that some of the challenges that I face. Finally, I finished up with all the conversation. I went to converse with these people and to see what next to do with the children, what next to do with the people there, and also what next we develop. And then I finished. I went back home, and right now, as you see, this is when we were coming back home, returning, and these beautiful houses you see there. This is the village. I mean, this is where I come from, the center. This is called San Lorenzo. And so it was a beautiful return. They called to bring me to their canoe. It was a beautiful experience. Thank you very much for accompanying me. Those of you who went with me to St. Anthony, where I go for this mission. At least I have shown you some of the things that. So actually not these things, but I've showed you the village. I went through the village, and at least I think you know a part of the way it looks, the way some of the people are, and I think more or less you know something about this village. Even if I've not went through, you've not seen the children or some other stuff. Next time, believe me, you will see it. And you know why? I think it's because it has been like 3 months before going there. So most of them had gone to fish, had gone to do their certain stuff, and I had not informed them. So I just went there to see how to go on, and actually I've seen that. So thank you very much for accompanying me. Now I am back home. This is my community, and I I have come back, so thank you very much for accompanying me. I have just returned just right now. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you for being with me, and see you next time. Ciao.